A legal victory today for the Green Bay Catholic Diocese.
It deals with a case that at its core has to do with priests alleged and accused of abuse. The background is that Todd and Troy Merrifield, originally from Freedom, are suing the diocese. The brothers claim that diocesan leaders committed fraud when they covered up allegations of sexual abuse concerning John Feeney, who at the time was a priest and is now a former priest in prison convicted of abusing the Merrifields. Today, an Allegheny County judge denied the Merrifields' request to reprimand the diocese for destroying documents of other possible priest abuse cases. Fox 11's Cameron Clark brings us both sides tonight.
It's been more than 30 years since the sexual abuse Father John Patrick Feeney was convicted of.
In a way, the diocese got away with it. They've gotten away with their fraud. They came up with a policy.
The Survivors Network of Those Abused by Priests, or SNAP, is among those accusing the Green Bay Catholic Diocese not only of knowing about it, but destroying documents to cover it up.
The diocese has a very reasonable record retention policy that we've been following it, and that in no situation have we ever destroyed any evidence, any materials that were relevant to this case.
The diocese says any records that were destroyed were done so by its policy that was set in place before the allegations began. That includes files 1 year after a priest dies, psychological and other medical records that the diocese says is according to privacy laws. But it says no files are destroyed if there is pending litigation or claims.
I find that the diocese record retention policy is reasonable.
Judge Nancy Krieger ruled the diocese policy protected necessary documents for this case and denied the motion concerning all files of alleged abusive priests.
The diocese has been very vigilant about adhering to the law and providing all of the information that's been required of us.
Things that the diocese may have been allowed to do under the law, but are hazardous to children.
The case is currently scheduled to go to trial next year, although the Merrifields attorney says he now believes that will have to be rescheduled. In Appleton, Cameron Clark, Fox 11 News.